Well, to answer your question, I've heard that complaint many times, and I think, family law judges and, juvenile judges make decisions based upon their background and experience. All right, let's take another call right now. Let's talk to Jacob in Tehachapi. Jacob.
Yes, sir. Good evening. How are you?
Good. Did you have a story to tell or a question to ask?
I've got a story. I've had a high conflict custody issue been going on. I'm a multi-deployed combat veteran from 2001 to 2007. There's an article done by an Army major who was a judge advocate officer by the name of Evan R. Simone, Seamone, in the Family Court Review. And you might be aware that we have what's called Veterans Court in criminal cases for veterans.
Mm-hmm.
He is advocating that there be a Veterans Court in family law, because when we come home after multi-deployments, what happened to me and a lot of vets I know, we get stigmatized because supposedly we're killers and, stuff like that. I had no domestic violence issues. And the article points out that our children ground the veteran into being a nurturing, caring, loving mother or father.
Mm-hmm.
And it'd be something to really broadcast and let folks know, especially the veteran community, that there are avenues of approach here to get past this stereotype of being a terrible baby killer, so to speak, when we serve our country. But our children, those that don't have, literal charges, but that's the essence. And my question would be, family law court
Mm-hmm.
is supposed to be family, as in mother, father, child. But it seems the commissioners and the judges are anti-family because they're specifically looking at, quote, the well-being of the child. But I thought that was supposed to be in a dependency case. I do not have any CPS cases or DCS stuff, but if you could please respond, and I'll take your call off the air, sir. Thank you for your time.
And thank you for your service, Jacob. Well, to answer your question, I've heard that complaint many times, and I think, family law judges and, juvenile judges make decisions based upon their background and experience, and also on the law. And it just seems sometimes that, veterans may be getting a short end of the stick. And it's interesting. I think I support your idea, or the idea that you brought up, that there should be a veterans court for family law and perhaps CPS cases, because veterans come with unique issues, and I think we are not, as a whole, giving them enough examination and analysis in dealing with their types of cases. So I hope that answers your call.